Absolutely a glueless wig, y'all. Tiny knots, bleached to perfection. Cap construction is perfect to the T. So today's video, guys, was another same day install video. As you guys can see, this unit is absolutely stunning. This is what I call a complete unit, guys. Everything was done to this unit. Just came straight out the pack, and I did a quick install for you guys. Now, again, WowAfrican is known to have those units that are already created so that you can plop it on your head. When I tell you guys today's hair video was very, very simple, and you guys can see this unit is bomb.com. And again, very, very glueless, guys. Look at how glueless and seamless this unit is. I didn't do any baby hairs whatsoever to this unit, guys. You guys can see the hairline is full, flesh, pretty, natural looking. It is a pre-everything unit, pre-cut everything. I didn't have to cut the lace. I didn't have to tweeze anything. Look at how, like, come on, y'all. Look at how absolutely stunning this hairline is. Obviously, you get a good amount of lace right here, guys. When I tell you the cap construction is perfect to the T, the way they made sure that the lace covered all the way through here, and then you don't see nothing on the sides. Like, do you guys see how seamless this looks? There is absolutely no point of doing baby hairs on a WowAfrican wig. These units have the best lace, the best hairline on the market, and everything just looks absolutely stunning. When I tell you guys that this video today was so easy, I just did the little hook in the back. That's that. There is not an adjustable strap on this unit, and the unit is very, very secure, guys. It has your standard combs in this unit, and it's just very snug. Like, look at this, y'all. Now, the last unit that I reviewed for with WowAfrican was that blonde unit, and when I tell you guys that that unit is my best friend, I wore that unit on my birthday, and that unit has the same cap construction as this one as well too, guys. When I tell you guys these are the easiest units to put on, these are like everyday units. All you do is go ahead and style it on the mannequin head. The next morning, you don't have to use any glue. You don't have to use anything for this unit. You literally plop it on. Like, look at the, where are you gonna find a company that serves a hairline like this? Tiny knots, bleached to perfection, hairline tweeze, and it's not overly tweezed. It's like the perfect amount of tweezing. Like, I am obsessed. I am obsessed with this company. Like, their units are absolutely top tier, the best units on the market. If you're looking for a unit that already comes ready to install, guys, if you're an amateur, you don't know how to install, you don't know how to do anything with a wig, why y'all shopping for these base units? Just buy a unit like this. It's already done. And again, you don't have to do baby hairs. There's no point. There is no point. Like, look at this. Look at that. Wig wear, honey. This texture is absolutely gorgeous too. This is like a light Yaki texture. They sent me this unit in 22 inches, and this is about a 24, honey. I feel like their 22 inches is definitely more of a 24. Like, you look, guys, look at that. Just stunning. And the hair density is a nice density as well. You get a lot of density in the back, and I like the fact that the front is not bulky. I hate for a wig to be really bulky in the lace area. So I feel like they did the proper dimensions on this unit so it doesn't end up too bulky at the top. But y'all, she's stunning. She is absolutely stunning, and she is absolutely glueless. Like, where are you gonna find a unit like these? Very glueless, very pretty, and just natural looking. Like, simple, natural, straight to the point. Shout out to WowAfrican for sponsoring today's video, guys. I feel like, I mean, there's really not that much to say. Y'all complain about companies, but I'm telling you guys about the companies that actually do it right. WowAfrican has always been on top of their game, and this unit again proves it. My birthday hair, the one with the blonde highlights, I'll go ahead and leave a card up here for you guys. I absolutely love that unit. I've been rocking it for months now, and it's just absolutely stunning. Very simple. Again, the cap construction is made so that you don't struggle. We ain't struggling with wigs in 2025, y'all. So go ahead and click the link down below, guys. Shop this unit. I also use my coupon code. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one.